Already? Like not even 5 minutes after the launch.
2022, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Foothills Company near Turner Valley and Black Diamond. 20h44 heure le jeudi 16 juin 2022, une alerte d'orage violent vers normal de l'est en vigueur pour cité de Chaudière près de Turner Valley et de Black Diamond. Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning at 8:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Thursday, June 16, 2022. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Foothills Company near Turner Valley and Black Diamond. At 8:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a cluster of severe thunderstorms capable of producing very strong wind gusts, nickel to ping pong ball size hail and heavy rain. Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm watch at 8